I am Mr. P. Fast. I will fucking shoot you. Look my foot.
You're on 1.5, once again, Tip. You're on 1.5, once again, Tip. You're on 1.5, once again, Tip. Watch me once they shit. My shit is up, simply meaning that my door is tight. Amping up the mic, making sure production's tight. Sometimes I might catch a severe case of rappers right, but by the end of the day, you be on my job. Grenades won't make my hobby for MCs to the test. And if you run, I put my foot up in your fucking chest. Freestyle fanatic, and never will it ever stop. Your crew is this, you might just wanna go.
Now I gotta put some action on paper. Make sure my words jump up and spread out like the paper. The only tip I got for a waiter is watch the doorknob hit me with the dirty door. That was my train of thought. For so long I fought. Now I'm at a level so free to the devil. So turn up the bass and lay low on the devil. You gotta really blaze on the dead on the shadow. Revive a lie, revive a tribe. The ladies sweat the sky like the squirrel sweat the nuts. You know what fellas live for the ruler.